Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and another video of my WPL RC crawler C14. As you can see here, this is the body of my C14 WPL C14 RC crawler. So this is the stock body, and right now what I decided to do is use a scale tube frame chassis on it. So I'm using this body on my C14 WPL C14. This is a toy grade RC. I don't know what scale it is. I think it's 1:18 scale, but WPL RC is much more larger than this. It's actually 1:16 scale, as you can see here. WPL body is much larger than this. So what I decided to do is use this body over my C14. So what I have done here, this is the frame of my C14, and I want to convert this C14 into a rock moon buggy. So I'm gonna use this crawler like this, and it's gonna look like this, as you can see. So it can look much more scalar. So here's the overall look. So what I have done here is bend these original frame of my C14 so it can fit here, over here, and from the back side also I have bended. This is the stock gear of C14, gearbox of C14 with the larger motor in it. Also the axles are from MN90. These are a bit wider than WPL C14, metal ones actually, and this is how it's gonna look like. I just want to fit this body over it, so it's gonna look like a moon buggy like this. So basically what I want to do is, now I have to drill some holes over here, so my shock absorber, the stock shock absorber, could fit in it like this. I have to drill some bit holes over here, and in the back also I have to drill some holes over here, so the shock absorber could fit or fix over here. So this is my work over my WPL C14 right now. Stay tuned for the next part, and please do share in comments. Tell me about how this is gonna look like, how do you like it, and what other ways to mount this shock absorber on this frame. Please do subscribe my channel, share and like my videos. Thank you.